Nice setup, Bill. But don't you think that door should hinge the other way? It can. Let's walk through how to do it. You'll need a screwdriver and a soft blanket. A helper can always make things easier. First, unplug your dryer for safety. Remove the screws from the door hinge. There should only be 2 of them. Lift the door and remove it, setting it aside on that soft blanket to avoid damage. Now you can remove the screw above and below the frame cutout. Remove the screws on the side and swap the lever holder. Remove the final door hinge screw and place it into the other side screw hole. Reattach the door on the other side. Wow, that wasn't so hard! And now you have much easier access to both laundry machines.